You are carrying a heavy weight lately. A sense that things just are not lining up right. As if the echoes of past mistakes or the negativity of others have stuck to your soul like thick gray dust. I know it feels exhausting to walk through your days when it feels like the universe is pushing back against you. But today, right now, we are going to clear that path. We are going to wash away that lingering stagnation. And reset your energetic clock. You are not stuck. You are just waiting for the rain to fall. And that relief begins in this very moment. In our practice today, we are going to use the concept of the threefold law. Which is the simple understanding that the energy we put out into the world returns to us 3 times over. Sometimes we accidentally get caught in a loop of old, recycled energy that isn't even ours anymore. We are going to perform a mental ritual of casting a circle. Which just means we are building a private, glowing bubble of safety in your mind, where no outside noise can reach you. Close your eyes and see a ring of soft blue light forming on the floor around your feet. This is your sanctuary. Nothing can enter this space unless you invite it. And within this circle, time moves differently. You are safe. You are protected. You are ready to let go. I want want you to look down at your hands in your mind. Imagine you are holding a heavy, jagged stone. This stone is the physical shape of your current karma, the mistakes, the regrets, and the unfairness you have been carrying. Feel how cold it is. Feel the rough edges digging into your palms. This is the weight that has been slowing you down. Can you feel the exact spot in your chest where this weight usually sits? Take a deep breath and feel that stone getting heavier for just one more second. Acknowledging that it has been there. But it does not belong to you anymore. Now imagine the air around you begins to shimmer and change. The temperature is shifting, becoming warmer, like a humid summer afternoon, just before a storm breaks. You can smell the scent of ozone and wet pavement. Suddenly, you are standing at the edge of a great, rushing river. This is the water element, the great purifier of the spirit. Walk toward the edge. You feel the cool mist on your face. It is time to transform that heavy stone. You hold the stone over the rushing water. As you drop it, you watch it hit the surface with a splash. But instead of sinking, the water begins to dissolve the stone instantly. The jagged edges soften into sand. The dark colors wash away into the clear blue stream. The water is taking that energy and recycling it back into the earth, where it can be neutralized. You are watching your past dissolve. How does it feel to see that weight simply float away? The river is not just taking the bad away. It is bringing something new to you. Reach your hands into the cool water. It feels silky and refreshing. As you pull your hands out, they are glowing with a soft, silver light. This is your new, clean karma. The water has polished your spirit. You feel a sudden, sharp scent of peppermint and fresh pine filling the air, waking up your senses and making your skin tingle with life. You are light. You are clear. You are renewed. Remember that whatever you do from this moment on will return to you with beauty and grace. By cleansing yourself, you are promising to put out only what you wish to receive. The threefold law is now working in your favor, bringing back 3 times the peace you feel right now. The silver light from your hands is spreading up your arms, into your heart, and down to your toes. Your circle of blue light is beginning to fade, because you no longer need a wall to keep the world out. You are the light. Start to feel the chair or the bed beneath you. Hear the sounds of the room you are in. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing that silver glow back into your physical body. You are arriving back in the present. But you are not the same person who started this journey. You are clean. You are capable. You are free. spirit is clear. My path is wide, and the universe is on my side. Subscribe so you don't miss our videos. For spiritual well-being. Blessed be.